The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for central Morton County in south-central North Dakota until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported a tornado northeast of Almont, or 31 miles west of Bismarck. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving west at 5 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Almont around 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.